How to use Skyscanner coupon code. Using a Skyscanner coupon code typically involves the following steps. Look for a Skyscanner coupon code from their official website, promotional emails, or trusted coupon websites. Ensure the code is valid and not expired. Visit Skyscanner and search for your desired flights, hotels, or car rentals. Select the option that suits your needs. Skyscanner usually redirects you to the airline, hotel, or car rental provider's website for booking. During checkout on the partner's website, look for a promo code or coupon code field. Enter the Skyscanner coupon code and click Apply to see if the discount is accepted. If the coupon is valid, the discount will be applied to your total price. Proceed to payment to finalize your booking. Thanks for watching.